Let me ask you a question.
Do you understand English?
Because even if the answer is yes, the minute you land in this English-speaking country,
You'll feel like you don't.
you do not. This is Ireland, a unique country where the locals have some of the thickest accents in English that we have ever heard.
Your accent's a bleeding maggot with me now, I'm telling you.
Something as simple as what's up, people say,
What's a crack?
how are you?
How are you, bud?
And full sentences become really hard to understand.
I need to go to the sunbed shop.
What?
Sunbed?
Mind you, all of this is considered English here in Ireland.
Why can't you understand us?
In this country, you need to pay full attention to every word they say to understand them.
But go for a pint of Guinness.
And if you don't, it's okay. Just get a pint of beer, a friend or two, and have a mighty good time in the country of Ireland.
Welcome to Ireland! That's what it is!